Hi, my name is Rohit Sahay. I have done my engineering from Computer Science, Madhya Pradesh, and have pursued a career in marketing in IT company in Mumbai. With the advent of electronics, we all know that being in the NASA district, there have been a very dearth of information and a possibility in India as of now. But Make in India has made it possible for the electronics to be a career in India. In order to learn about this thing, we need a complete industrial exposure, and thanks to Sahasra Group, who has been providing the complete career and an information in the industrial format, the course which has been designed in order to gain the insight and let you know that how the things are going around, what are the nitty-gritties of the product, how it's been done, how the marketing and the company etiquette, along with the industrial discipline, which our students seek in order to gain knowledge and a confidence in this industry. We need a youth to learn about the entire program and learn how to pursue their career in this electronic field. PCB fabrication, EMS and other things are the major area which we are unaware about. But thanks to the group Sahasra along with ESSCI to embark into the journey of spreading the knowledge among the kids and making them aware that this is also a segment for their future. Thank you.